All right, guys, a little short video.
How do you want to have it, straight down, or do you want to have it like towards your palm of your foot?
Maybe, yeah, a little bit of an angle, but like that. But it's too much of an angle. Probably like right up in there. Yeah, like that. Yeah, yeah, just like that.
Where's your
the drill or the punch?
Marker?
Oh, right here. And we can mark it.
Where's that Sharpie at?
So hold on. Oh, right here. There you go.
You like that?
Yeah. And see, with those foot pads, they have a wider hole in it, so you can actually can draw it, and you don't, you know.
Wait. Because this is a slider. You see how it slides down? Boom.
Yeah, you can slide anywhere. Yeah.
But
Oh yeah. Well.
So you want to put it here?
Well, it can't slide because that hole is perfect round, so there's no slide on that. It doesn't slide here. So why they did that, so it won't make a mistake, and if it's not perfect, it can be it has more room for error. You know what I'm talking about?
All right, so
that's like room for error. So if it's off,
so then we do this hole first. Then we slide it. We'll put it on, slide it down, and then now we know where this is gonna go. So let's mark the top hole then.
Well, if you slide it down, then we have to drill that perfect. That's what I'm saying. This is more of an error side right there that gives us room for error to play with. So we can drill that hole first and drill that hole. And if it's off, like you see, we had to make that wider.
Yeah.
We don't have to make it wider that here. We can just slide that. We can put that in, and the hole can be anywhere between here and there. Exactly where you at. You know what I'm talking? Hold on.
Okay.
So, all right. So we got the kickstand on. Yeah, got the pegs on.
Two masterminds together.
Yeah, man. Heck yeah. I mean, we're gonna cut those off so it won't be so. Yeah, so it'll be true all the way out. And yeah, they got E-bikekids bike coming along, but still gonna be a long ways away.
Tap these up here too.
Yeah, and then we'll tap those right there. Now we gotta flip it over, do the other side peg, and then we'll probably move this in the garage and do the fenders. The fender stay, tap those in so we put the fender in, and yeah. So MO3 POV's getting all the stuff out of the way so we can get everything out. And of course he's gonna do a little some collaboration with me and Me. So it's gonna be a big hit. Put that down right here so we can thread lock. Yeah. And we left them here.
Right here on the table too.
Right there on the table. I swear I thought you put it in your pocket.
I did too. All right, so this is for the other side.
Yeah.
This is all for the motor kit.
Yeah, okay. You put those in a little baggie. And put those over there. So yeah, by the way, this is his bike right here. Did an excellent job. It's actually charging up. We'll get on this more later. But yeah, that's the battery I built that's located under the gas tank. That's in the crater of the swing arm. And we go right down, powered by haters. Yes, it's fast. Got the QS260 on there. It's really fast. What I would suggest him to do is we put a bolt through this torque arm and bolt it to the swing arm so it won't like move and stuff like that, you know what I mean? But right now only the axle bolt is holding. Yeah, looks very good already. I like what Maurice did, man. Got E-bikekids, man, right there. Yeah, he likes that. Now we're gonna do the other side, and then once we get it up to about 12 inches wheels, and then we'll be able to utilize the kickstand. Right now it's just short. It's too long for the motor right now, or the motorbike right now, because of, you know, it's so low to the ground. But anyways, on to the next one. Yeah, we get the right screws. We can get probably like an M10 or something. I mean, an M6 what we had.
As long as you got an M6 or the M6 screws, then
yeah, I got that. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna be mounting the rear fender in right quick. We already got the pegs on, and man, looks way different from last time y'all saw it.
We had before and after video.
Oh yeah, I know, right? So what are we doing now?
I don't know what the phone is. All right, so now we got everything threaded in. We fender locked in, we got the pegs in, we got the kickstand, and what I had built in was a motor tension stabilizer, so that way we don't have to use a what do you call it, a chain tensioner.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be a motor tensioner.
Yeah.
And I had bought a kit and had it welded into the frame. So now we're gonna take the old motor and use it as a template. So when you do get the new motor, all you gotta do is just replace it, and everything's already wired up and stuff like that. So
There you
we're
go.
gonna go online and see how we put that together, and then we'll bolt it up, and then it should be good to go.
There you go. All right.
Oh, MOPPOV?
Yeah, for MOP.
Yeah.
It's working. Look at this.
Yeah, I see that.
Good, man.
Going.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't fail me yet.
Yeah, what kind of coolant that is? This regular.
I don't know. I got AliExpress.
Oh, AliExpress, that look
I thought
nice.
it looked cool because it was red.
Yeah. Look at that QS10s on this thing, man. I think I'm gonna do this QS10s. I'm gonna redo my battery and just do two of those instead of 4.
That's what I was
QS8s.
talking about. I like those connectors, man.
The QS10s?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. EV CERN. Can't believe that thing's working now.
Yeah, so I got MOE enabled.
Yep.
And I'm running. You got to pull the battery. So right here it says I've got 79 volts. I got to figure out what that means.
Oh yeah, that's what mine was doing.
So you have to fool the battery. So you
And-
don't know what volt you're at.
Yeah.
And it's at 38 degrees. It got up to 40 coming over here.
Oh,
That
damn.
wasn't even
Okay.
going fast. This thing has to be water cooled. Those guys
Has to
run
be.
quarter miles. I don't think they do any distance.
No,
with them,
they not doing leisure riding like we're
Yeah.
doing. Yeah.
So
Tommy,
they're, I don't.
Whatever brake system he got on the back of that, that's what I want on mine.
I don't get over 32
Oh, yeah?
degrees doing a quarter mile.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but coming over here, riding it for an extended period of time, it gets hot.
Yeah, he got a freaking motorcycle. That's a true motorcycle brake on that there thing. First time actually seeing it too. Yeah. Same. What's that? A 220?
Express.
So I'm at 79.4.
79.70. What?
No, that's what it says.
Oh, that's
So
what it
I'm
says, but you don't know the. You
I'm
so.
gonna do the calculation here.
Okay.
So when I'm at 108,
One gauge wires.
it
Damn.
says I'm at 81. So
Right.
it's a 27 degree difference. So 79.4 plus 27. Oh, 106.
106,
This
not
thing will go
bad.
forever. This thing is light.
Yeah.
He probably you got a 96 volt charger.
Yeah. No. Yeah, I got a 144.
That
Well-
works 96 volt.
Yeah, it'll go from 0 to all the way to 144. Yeah, so I can.
He should start charging.
All right, I can bring a charge out. Yeah.
What's he at right now?
I'm
Says
at
100.
100 basically.
On my accurate gauge, he's down to 100 already.
100. So
Hey,
you
it's accurate
wanna?
so far. What's
There's a
up on
long way here.
It is.
When
yeah.
I'm in my air conditioned truck, it's not so bad.
It ain't so bad because you're in the truck.
when you're in a truck with suspension too.
Man,
Yeah.
this little thing here.
Mhm.
Oh man.
Is it bumpy or is it?
Oh, yeah, it's horrible.
He's
suspension.
being repaid for his hubris.
Oh man. And it's dirty. Oh man, roll down dirt road. The wheels already dirty.
Looks
Oh.
cool.
Yeah.
And you got it plated too?
Yeah.
So yeah, you want to throw that on the charger then?
Yeah.
Or okay. All right. Let me get one of these chargers out right quick. Let me see. He's at 79 and he is at 82. I think we'll go charge. We'll take that over and charge it right quick.
Both of you guys. Well, go ahead. Walk up.
It's
I've
gonna
seen
be.
what you can do, so I know you can handle it. The rear is on your right. I mean on your left.
They got him the same way the Mad Dog.
Yeah.
You got to feel the power.
Style.
You got to feel the power where you at.
He's on 2 right now.
2.
He's good.
Okay.
Right. All right.
Yeah, look at it.
Starts my ride over here.
Yeah. Dang, that junk quiet.
Quiet,
Yeah.
right?
Holy crap.
There we go.
Yeah, we're doing some modifications to that too. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Wait till you get on that stupid thing.
Oh yeah.
Believe it. 3.58 060.
That's crazy.
Go ahead, give it a spin.
How fast is that with top speed now?
That's 110.
Like just pedal to metal or whatever?
Yeah.
Damn, that is some cushion.
I got in button 3, so it'll chirp taking off.
Oh God. Okay. Huh? Why die if I end up right in the garbage can?
You never know with him.
Yeah.
About like your kid.
Oh yeah. I gotta go get him in a minute. Yeah. Yeah. About 10 minutes I'm gonna go get him. So what's up, man? You gotta let me ride this. You gotta let me ride this Mad Dog for a minute. What's up, man? You gotta let me ride the Mad Dog for a minute, man.
You gotta get that Mad Dog on pavement.
Oh yeah. I'm not even gonna spin it like that. Really want to get the feel of it. That's it. You know, not the power, just style of ride.
You need to get it to the pavement, put it in button 3 and see what happens.
Oh my God, man.
Fuck up.
Okay.
At 100?
Yeah, but 105 is scary.
You got 105 on that?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about this. I just rode this man's bike. Boy, listen, let me tell you something, man. You need a goddamn harness on this sucker. The acceleration is crazy, man. This will make any bike in this garage look like a regular e-bike from the factory. That I'll put this up on the Corvette ZR1X right now. That bitch, I run that from the get. No, he don't want none of that. He do not want none of that. He don't want none of this. He don't want none of this. That's only 12 kilowatt. This is 20 kilowatt. I got a 25. But he just made my mind up. I'm stepping down from 26 to a 24 by 4. That's gonna be brutal. And he got a long ass swing on. Imagine if it was a stock one, like off the Ruckus. Hell no, you won't. Hell no, Maurice. We gotta step yours up, man. Yeah.
Did you notice the two British gentlemen with us with their tea and biscuits and their hats off the afternoon?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I tip my hat over that, man. Yeah, if y'all talking about y'all don't know what this man doing to his stuff, man, y'all got it all twisted, man. Yeah, so don't be talking about making posters about what he got going on, and y'all talking about battery this and battery that. This thing is absolutely insane. And he ain't even got it turned up all the way. This man got it turned up, but he running what? 75% of his power. Yeah. That's what my controller should have been when I got it.
So that's water cool for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now on my other bike, I've got water cooling for the motor.
Man, that just took my breath away.
I had to run water.
I can't believe that. All right, so we're finna get ready to go riding. We got the Mad Dog Cafe Racer. We got E-Bike Kid over there. I'm riding his mom's bike. Mom's gonna be down for a while. Maybe I'll probably see I can order me a controller in a few days. And so he's ready. His bike's charged up. So we got love bugs out tonight or today. And we do not want to get hit by love bugs. And we're gonna go ride.
Show you something on a bike. I don't know if your dad ever taught you this. You know what that is? That's religion. You hold that open until you see Jesus. You'll see him.
Yeah, man.
Did you see Jesus today?
Oh yeah. I saw him, boy. Hey. All right, guys. So we have made it to our destination. We ate some pizza, got some beers. I don't drink, but Mini-Me and his son got some beers, and we're chilling at Little Illy in Avon Park, Florida, and we're about to be heading back to the house, and we're gonna be chilling, you know. So it's a good collaboration day, you know, with Maurice, Ted, and my son and his kid. You know what I mean? Riding our bikes and everything. But we definitely gonna be doing some work to the Razor, getting more amp hours, getting more power to the QS260, so we can so he can actually ride with us. My son's bike is very impressive, but let me tell you something. This Mad Dog that Mini-Me has, that is the truth. That is the God honest truth. I just got baptized by riding this bike, and I love it, man. This thing got the power. I can't say no more. It got power, man. Y'all have to build one yourselves to actually know what I'm talking about. But anyways, we're gonna go back and finna head on out. All right, man. So Mini-Me's heading home, and we're gonna be heading our ways. You know what I mean? And woo! Look at that, boy. That sucker flying.
I'll catch him.
Yeah. Hey, what? Y'all both can. All right, guys. I'll see y'all later, man.
All right, man.
All right.